Bonjour tout le monde. Today you're going to be working on making a menu. And some of you may have done something similar last year, but I'm changing it up a little bit this year. So I have here a Google Doc to show you what you need to do and requirements if you want to get a 3, and then requirements if you'd like to get a 4. All right, so basic requirements for a 3, you need a name of your restaurant. All the foods and drinks we've learned must be included. You need prices in euros, and it needs to be organized into breakfast, lunch, dinner, desserts, and drinks. All right, so if you scroll down, I have each section kind of explained more. All the food and drinks we've learned. So we've learned 11 foods and 9 drinks. They all must be included in the menu, and you have to put the article before it. So, une pizza, un café. Okay? You need prices in euros, because that's what they use in France. Basically, $1 is about the same as €1. So if you put something costs €2, that's like about $2. Your menu needs to be organized into breakfast, lunch, dinner, desserts, and drinks. And I have them here written for you so you know how to spell them. All right, breakfast is le petit déjeuner. Lunch is le déjeuner. So the word for breakfast is actually little lunch, petit déjeuner. Dinner is a cognate, le dîner. Desserts are cognates, le dessert. And drinks are les boissons. All right, so extras, things you can do to get a 4. You can add photos to your menu, so it could be of each dish that's mentioned, or it doesn't have to be every single dish, just a couple photos here and there. You know, how you organize it is up to you. You can add to the food and drinks that we've learned. So, for example, ice cream is une glace. If you want to add to it, you could do une glace au chocolat, chocolate ice cream, or vanilla ice cream, strawberry ice cream. Add to a vocabulary word that we've already learned. I have other ideas for tea. You can put iced tea. Or for in crepe, you could add other ingredients, like crepe with strawberries or chocolate. And then you can add completely new foods and drinks, but they must be authentic French dishes. So you could look up French dishes or Google French menus and look for some foods and drinks that you think look yummy. You know, don't choose something that looks gross, something yummy, and include it in your menu. It has to be in the proper section, breakfast, lunch, dinner, etc. And for these ones, you should include a photo and a brief description of what they are in English, so we know what you're talking about when we look at it. And by we, I mean me. You're just showing this to me. All right? And then if you keep scrolling, I put an example of mine. Oh, I don't think I mentioned this. For your title, the easiest thing to do is to put chez and then your first name. All right? So chez Christelle means Christelle's place. So if your name was Tom, you could put chez Tom, which would be like Tom's place. Okay? So that's the name of my restaurant. And then I have le petit déjeuner, which is breakfast, un croissant, une crêpe, une omelette with prices. Le déjeuner, lunch, un sandwich, un hot dog, une salade with prices. Keep going for dinner, le dessert, and then les boissons. So I have all my vocabulary words in there. That would be a 3, all right, as long as everything's perfect, right? And then here's some examples for above and beyond, and I wrote don't use mine. So instead of just writing une glace, you could write une glace au chocolat, chocolate ice cream. You'd still need to put the price in there. I didn't do that. Instead of just putting une crêpe, I wrote une crêpe avec banane et Nutella. Oops, there's a typo there. I need to fix that. A crepe with bananas and Nutella. Une salade niçoise is a specific type of French salad, right? So maybe there's other kinds of French salads you can find. This one has like string beans in it, hard-boiled eggs. And then un thé glacé is an iced tea. All right? So these are examples of just me kind of building on to the vocabulary words that we already have, right? We already had a salad. I found out to add how a different dish for a salad could be, what it was called. And I think that's about it. I'm going to give you 2 class periods to work on this, I'm pretty sure, unless everyone's super fast and finishes early. But we can also see how it goes. But the plan right now is to give you 2 class periods to work on this. All right. Bon appétit, which means enjoy your meal. Au revoir.